One morning again, the magic. I could see through the blinds, very colorful light. I'll go on building my kitchen by introducing those square wooden elements that I've got. I went by car to the north side and passed by my friend Thomas's house because he had a lot of items to get rid of that I can actually use for my house. And very often when you drive through Switzerland, it's only on the south side of the Alps where beauty is all of a sudden when you get out of the tunnel. I only unloaded my car Monday morning, and that's what I like less, carrying heavy stuff to the house. And probably this negative attitude is sometimes in the way, for instance, when my wheelbarrow is collapsing. Those quite compact and heavy wooden elements Thomas found in a theater in Zurich. They were actually acoustic elements at the ceiling. And I can already see a lot of options how I could combine those elements and do maybe kitchen cupboards, or I can also use them for this under construction for the whole kitchen combination. Here I tried how it's going to fit together with fragments of an old buffet. I don't know in English, or is it maybe a credence? Perché in italiano sarebbe una credenza. Anyway, they have also these round edges. And I think for my kitchen in this old house, like a very modern kitchen would not be the right thing. Anyway, I have now so many ingredients piled up all around me, and I can just grab this and that and try combinations for this kitchen. in between I went also to the garden just to have a look, because some rain is finally announced, and I thought I could throw out some grass seeds, because with humidity maybe the grass would grow in those parts where I had to get rid of debris and soil and sand, basically. Would be nice if this would be overgrown after spring. So then you just see me going on with that under construction for the kitchen. I couldn't go much further because I only had one day. So I just prepared some pieces of wood to add to the construction that would hold afterwards the sink, and the countertop, the wooden countertop that I cut out of my African wood, that would go all around the kitchen. So in the end, it's absolutely not yet this perfect, gorgeous kitchen. Rather tiny steps towards there. And just 15 minutes before I really had to run to catch my train, I started grinding the wooden surface just to have an idea how it's gonna turn out, and to eventually see the color that I can expect. And it looks a bit of rose, pink rose, maybe salmon colored. And I just took that image with me, that I can just go on dreaming. This will be continued next episode.